Hey Bruno. Guys, the sun is shining. The Husqvarna is swinging. The wood needs split. Needs stacked. Try her on its side. Feels like summer. Let's split some wood. Guys, I have the Husqvarna. I have the Husqvarna S2800 with me here, guys. It's really sunny and the sun's right behind you, so it's difficult for me to see. And guys, I'm just starting to work my way through some of this wood here at Red Branch and get it split. What you can see is that in the log storage, I've taken some of this wood out and I've stacked the split stuff out in the forest to let it get air out a wee bit more for the summer. I don't know if you guys can see that. Up over there, so. Got another little pile of black pine here, guys. I'm just going to work my way through it. Split it, try and stop the dog from stealing it. And generally just right all the wrongs of the world on this beautiful, beautiful Sunday afternoon. Guys, just want to stand up. I miss my tire when I'm down here. Bruno, away. Where is the big stick I give you, Bruno? This is a naughty number. Right here, a naughty number. I don't know if I'll be able to split this. That's split. Exactly like Captain America when I do that. That doesn't need to be split. That's split already. That was handy. Oh! So this is what I find when I'm splitting wood, right? And I know I've touched on this before in the past, right? Every single piece of wood is different, right? So what I find is that you can never tell what a piece of wood is going to do until you hit it with an axe, okay? So I hit that the first time and I just sort of, I didn't really hit it, okay? I didn't really hit it because I thought it was just going to pop straight away like that one did, but it didn't. Bit of a flick there, unintentional. Now, this is going to be an altogether different. Maybe not. You see, with these knot rings here, or branch rings, sometimes this stuff can be impossible to split. Is generally why it's You okay, Bruno? Come here. That's not for you. That's not why I called you over. I called you over because you were looking sad and forlorn over there. But think you have it, you're on a roll, you're splitting wood, life's good, and then something like this comes along. Something that you think should be relatively straightforward and easy to split, and then you hit it and it goes, not today, Wally, not today. Today I'm going to make you work. Oh, that was an overstrike there completely. So that's the thing about this black pine. Some days it's nice, some days it's mean. Today it's being okay. This bit will not be easy. Even though it only looks small, this is a stump piece. And it's rotten. This is a stump piece as well. Probably rotten too. The likes of those little pieces like this, right? You got a circle of branches right around here. They're only going to be for the campfire, so I'm not that worried about it being completely split all the way through when I stack it. As long as it's not going into the pile whole, it's always going to dry better. Do you know what I mean? So a piece of wood, you have a piece of wood like this with its bark on it, guys. It's going to dry from here, it's going to dry from here. You split that in half, it's also going to dry from the split halves, like this bit. Okay, so even if you have a little bit of it split, it's going to dry faster. Okay. Guys, I'm just going to stack a wee bit here. We get her done. I'm running out of light. No, I'm running out of battery. Hey Bruno. Go. Yes, I should have them sitting on something, but I'm not too worried, guys, to tell you the truth. You're soaking wet. You're soaking. Oof. And that's that, guys. And that's that. On this beautiful day, what else would you be doing? Splitting and stacking some firewood in the forest, huh? Looking at my ugly head. Guys, thanks for watching. Stay frosty.